If you're running Facebook ads to your Framer site, you've probably noticed that your Facebook ad numbers don't add up. If you're not using the Conversions API, Facebook isn't able to see the full picture of what's happening on your website, and up to 40% of conversions are not even getting to Facebook. Setting up the Conversions API, though, has always required either writing code or hiring somebody who can. Until now. Here's the situation most Framer site owners are in. So you've built a beautiful site, you're running ads, people are clicking through, but inside Facebook Ads Manager, your conversion numbers look way too low or they're not even showing up at all. That's because Framer has no built-in connection to the Facebook Conversions API. And without server-side tracking, iOS users, people with ad blockers, and anyone with strict privacy settings, they're all invisible to Facebook. So your ads are optimizing on incomplete data. The fix is CAPI, or Facebook Conversions API, but if you've ever tried to set it up for yourself on Framer, you know that it gets technical really fast. Access tokens, CSS classes, pixel IDs, it's all very technical. So we built something instead that removes all of that. It's called the Visual Tagger, and it's a new feature inside PixelFlow. So PixelFlow is a tool that connects your Framer site to Facebook's Conversions API without any code. You add one code snippet in your Framer's custom code settings, and that's the last technical thing that you ever have to do. The Visual Tagger takes you the rest of the way. It opens on your actual Framer site in a new tab with a floating window to the side. You can click on any element, like a button, a link, or a form, and PixelFlow will let you set up tracking for it automatically. No CSS classes, no JavaScript, literally just point and click. So let me show you how this works from start to finish. So I have a Framer page here open. It's our PixelFlow website. If I want to track a button, I can click select something to track. And here I can select the button. I can choose the event that I want it to trigger, say view content, and save trigger. So it's confirm, we'll fire a view content event when this element is clicked, confirm. Done. That is literally it. I've just set up a trigger for an event to be sent to Meta anytime somebody clicks this button. Let's look at a different site. So here's another Framer template that I've got. And as you can see, I can scroll anywhere on the page. When I select that I want to track something, it will let me select any element and I can track it. So let's say this little section here, this is a form and there's a button. What event do I want to trigger here? I'm going to select a lead event for this one. And we want to track the user's email address. So this is what's been tracked. If I save trigger, confirm. Now, anytime that form is submitted, it's going to trigger a lead event and capture the user's email address. Now, there's another extra feature here that's worth touching on too. So if I toggle on the monitor, this is the event monitor, and it lets you see in real time when you trigger events on your website to make sure that your setup is actually correct. So let's try and trigger it and see. So hello@pixelflow.so, and if I submit it, I should see an event here for lead event. There we go. And I can see it's captured my email, state, zip, city, country, external ID, IP address, and user agent. All of that information has been sent to Meta as a lead event. To take it one step further, if you want to, you can then go into your PixelFlow dashboard, look at your events list, and you'll see all the events. If I click on view, I can then see all of the full information that's been tracked for this particular event. I can see the full, actual technical payload to Meta, if that's what you're interested in, or you can just see the basic version, which gives you the overview. And you can also see the traffic source here. So this was organic because I just came there directly to the website. Let's look at another option too. So that was a small form. Let's look at a contact form. So if I find a contact form, and here's a nice form where there's a name and email address. So let's select track something new. I want to track when this button is submitted. So submit application, let's say, that's the event I want to trigger. In the user details area, that's telling me where's the whole section of this form. And then here's all the different parts that we're going to track. So it's automatically detected. Full name is the name. Email address is email. So it's already tracking everything by default. If I wanted to track extra data, if I wanted to add a fixed value to, so let's say I could say it's at least $5,000. I could save the trigger. It's going to track all of that information. So let's take a look at that one and see. You should see it in real time as well. So name, email, and submit. Lead event was submitted, have all the information there. And then if I go into my PixelFlow logs, I should see the new lead event is there. I have email, I also have value is there. So this is all the information that's been sent to Meta for this event. So that's a form. We can also do this on any buttons. So here's a button here. I can just click that button. That could be a contact event. And done. So the biggest benefit of all of this is, first of all, it's visual point and click tracking. And the second benefit is that with all of this information that's been sent to Meta automatically, once you've set it up, you're going to get better quality leads, better quality traffic coming to your website. That's going to result in lower cost of your ads and more conversions overall on your website, because Facebook is better able to find more similar people to those who already take actions on your website. The visual tagger is live right now inside PixelFlow and it works on Framer today. If you haven't tried PixelFlow yet, the link is below in the description. There's a free 7-day trial, no credit card required. You can have your Framer site fully tracked before your next ad campaign goes live. If you've already got an account, just click on the track an event option in your dashboard and you'll see the visual tagger option there.